Bum ba dum bum. Hey, hey, listen to me. Just listen. Hey, hey, just listen to me. Some people say a man is made out of mud. A poor man's made out of muscle and blood. I said muscle and blood and skin and bones. A mind that's weak and a back that's strong. You load 16 tons and what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. Strut, I'm a lady's cat. I'm feeling Casanova, hey man, that's where it's at. Get a shoe thrown at me from a mean old man. Get my dinner from a garbage can. You load 16 tons, and what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. I don't bother chasing mice around. Slink down the alley, looking for a fight. Howling to the moonlight on a hot summer night. Singing the blues while the lady cats cry. Wow, stray cat, you're a real gone guy. I wish I could be as carefree and wild, but I got cat class and I got cat style. If you see me coming, better step aside. A lot of men didn't and a lot of men died. One fist of iron and the other of steel. If the right one don't get you, then the left one will. You load 16 tons, what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. Singing the blues while the lady cats cry. Wow, stray cat, you're a real gone guy. I wish I could be as carefree and wild, but I've got cat class and I've got cat style. Yeah. Get my dinner from a garbage can. Hey yo, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Rating's not really a thing anymore. That's like old school. Like saying vlog. I remember when people used to say vlog. It seems really silly to me now, but I'm pretty sure I used to say vlog too. Whatever. Y'all better check out my sexy new phone there. I'm holding it upside down. There we go. In just a little bit, I'm going out to a buffet with my sister and my mom, so we're gonna eat a lot of food. I'm gonna just stuff all the meat I can into my mouth, because that's usually my plan of action when I walk into the buffet. That beautiful soft serve ice cream machine at the end. Or at the beginning. I mean, like, however you want to roll. Personally, I'm an ice cream at the end kind of girl. China has definitely changed me in terms of, like, weather acclimation or whatever you want to call it. When it's like 30 or 33 degrees Celsius, my whole family's just like, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. And I'm just sitting there totally comfortably, totally shufu, you know? MC shufu in the house. That's a joke from Hangzhou. But in the mornings in general, it's closer to like 20, 19, 22 degrees Celsius. And I'm just like freezing my butt off. And my family's just like, what are you talking about? I slept last night without the blankets on and like, it was really great and like, oh man, I had the best time ever sleeping last night. It was so shufu and I'm just like, Most of this end of the video bit isn't even necessary. I just wanted to, say something like I want to do a Q&A video. All of a sudden, after I posted my last video, I realized that this is my one true dream, my heart's true desire. Yeah, I was just gonna show up here after the video just to say leave me questions about anything. About Lithuania, I went there, it was cool. About China, I went there, it was cool. About life's true meaning and not even like my opinion on anything, just like how much does the average crocodile weigh? I could answer that for you. I want to do a Q&A video, leave me questions. My very prestigious high goal to attain is 5 questions. It's both challenging and achievable. I don't know, I just want to interact more somehow with people that watch my videos and enjoy my videos. I shouldn't expect that much from you. Don't feel pressured to enjoy any of this. I'm going to turn off the camera now before you all just walk away. I'm gonna walk away before you can. Yeah, that's right.